Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my raw and natural English learning journey. Today is really nice and amazing weather. You can see the nice. You can see my polythene bag. So guys, this is my natural English learning journey. Today I'm practicing for day 380 or 81. I believe 80, yeah, or 81. I have to confirm. So guys, once again, welcome my endless journey. There is no limitation I set. So this is my continue journey, and maybe this required 5,000 day, maybe 1,000 day, maybe less, maybe not. I don't care. I just need to ensure my consistency. So guys, I spend overall around 40 minutes for my power, for my strength. And today I want to share, yes, I want to share one important thing, which is 5 star rating. 5 star rating. I am associate engineer. I'm associate engineer, and I used to sell my design internationally. So I know the TOS, term of service, for all the platform like Fiverr, Upwork, and asking for 5 star rating or request for 5 star rating. It is against the TOS. It is against the Fiverr or Upwork service. So if I write a message, leave a 5 star rating, then what happened? The platform directly block my account. So what happened in my country? I'm from Pakistan. This is constantly people use these kind of word, and they don't care about the TOS. Yes, because we are Pakistani. We don't have awareness about the thing. I'm not specific all the people. I'm not specifying all the people, targeting all the people. I know a lot of people, those are really mature and really handsome, like really clever people, and they know the ethics. So the thing is, like we have Uber Cream, we have InDrive, we have Yango. These are big companies. Those are all used to offer for riding, for taxi offer. So after completion the ride, any ride, if you hire someone driver using Baikia, InDrive or Yango in Pakistan, after completion the ride, the driver asking you constantly, please leave a 5 star rating, please sir, something like this. So this is really bad, immature behavior. And same people, then they move to the international platform like Fiverr, Upwork. Also the InDrive is an international platform, international company. So InDrive service, InDrive working worldwide. So I know this thing. This is a really unprofessional. So what is the right way you can request to the people? You can say simply after completion the work, after completion the ride, you can say, sir, please leave your genuine and honest review for my service. So this is a really professional and really as per the TOS. Yes, this is as per the TOS, and direct asking for 5 star rating. This is against the TOS. So I learned this thing and I record a video because I am also working another channel. So uh, I am feeling uncomfortable. A lot of mosquito try to biting me, disturbing me. So guys, the point is follow TOS. The point is follow company rules. And because the company providing you platform, company providing you opportunity, I used to make money. And if I use the word 5 star, uh, the Fiverr, the Fiverr red flag. This is Fiverr red flag. And when I try to write 5 star directly on my inbox, I can see a clearly message. And if I leave the message, the platform instantly, within less than second, block my account. So this is really important. The white people having a really nice to us, they work. And yes, this is important. They not force me to work platform. I have to work because I am making reasonable nice money. Sometimes I make less money. Sometimes I used to make nice money. So this is my English learning journey, and I used to cover different topic. Today is a little nice day because last 3 to 4 days was really weak. I constantly breaking flow, and the other thing is I was not able to record nicely. So this is my English learning journey, and I am happy. I am happy. I'm really confident. Thank you. Stay strong, stay honest, and work for long goals. And always stay honest with yourself. And thank you. And before closing, I want to show the beauty, the nature, the beautiful view, the beautiful people, how people involving in. Oh, honest speaking, a lot of mosquito here and continuously biting me. So love you. Before closing, I want to show 360-degree view, same like always. So you can see the beauty. Oh, nice. Today I just change angle, camera angle. So I have to once again set my camera angle. So this is the right angle. So see guys, beautiful greenery, beautiful tree, beautiful people. Oh, nice, amazing. So connect your body with nature, with the beauty. Thank you so much, and bye. Clapping, and thank you so much. This is English day 380 or 81. Thank you so much once again, and bye.